Hey guys, we're going to be talking a little bit more M1 Finance today and why I think it is the best investing platform. So let's get into today. What I did today is something I usually don't do. Today, Tuesday, for those who watch my video, I invest, every day, usually $25 or $30, except for Tuesday, which is my open day. Which I don't have it already scheduled to come out, and I invest what I want. So today is the first day I actually picked, instead of letting M1 Finance pick what I'm going to buy, I bought today. So I deposited $150. This was kind of a trial to see how it goes. And I was able to pick exactly what I wanted the money to go into. So this is breakdown of what I had it go into. I was heavy into JD just because it's a new one that I added to my account, so I wanted to get it started off right. And JD is in a pretty big dip right now, and I do expect it to bounce. So I put most of it in that. Square is another fairly new one that is, I think, could be compared to an Amazon as far as getting in early down the road. Will it do what Amazon did? Probably not, but it's at a fair value at $71 a share. And so I deposited $150. The only thing I didn't think is I only put $144 into these stocks, thinking the other $6 would M1 Finance would put the other $6 into whatever. But it didn't. Once you start picking what you want for the day, it actually will only buy what you picked. So it left me with $6 in reserve for tomorrow. So anyways, M1 Finance has a promotion going on right now, so I wanted to get that out of the way and tell you that normally you get $10 if you deposit. You get $10 to start your account off with. When you deposit $100, so basically a 10% added to your account right off the bat. Well, now they've increased that to $20 for the same 100, so you're basically getting a 20% bump right off the bat. And to be completely transparent, I will get the $20 as well. I would appreciate if you use the link. I've had a couple people sign up through me, and I really appreciate it. It helps my account, helps me do the videos. So here you go. Give 20, get 20. So invite your friends, M1 account, and give you both $20 to invest. So I would appreciate if you use the link, but please, do your own investment research. This is what I do. This is my account. This is how I'm going to build my wealth and build my dividends. But you do the research before you invest your money. I think right now is a great time to invest in M1. I think we're in a big dip right now. We're at a point in the market where it's a good dip and it could bounce, but I think we're in for a longer run now. But for my account, this is perfect for me. Gives me some value in buying some stocks. And will it continue to go down? I'm not in this to make my get rich this month. I'm in it to have long-term growth over the next 10 to 15 to 20 years. So one of the good things with M1 Finance is, it buys fractional shares, so you can get involved at your own pace. You don't have to worry about buying a full share of Amazon. As you can see in my account right now, like Amazon, I have currently 0.05 shares of Amazon, because with the average price of $1,900. And it's fallen to, I think it was $1,700 and something right now. I was going to add a share in my 401k today, but I want to see if it drops to hopefully like $1,500-$1,600, and I'll buy at least one share, if not a couple shares of that, added to my retirement account. So thanks guys. I'm going to keep this one slow. I just wanted to go over the overall M1 Finance experience, what I enjoy about it, what I like about it, and show you the new discount code or the new promotional code for getting into it. If you have any specifics you want to show on my account, I will be glad to do it. I mean, as you can see, Plug is the one I have the most shares of right now, and these are just a few of the speculative because they're such a low price company, and if it pops up to this Plug's at $2 a share, pops up to 10. I make 500% of my money, and it has popped up to that before. And most of my stocks are dividends, but I have a few growths and a few speculative to balance out my account. This is only one of a few accounts. I got my 401k through my work. I got an individual retirement account for my personal. I got an individual stock account. And then I got different investments I'm going on. So I'm very diversified. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And yeah, thanks again, guys. Take care. Happy investing out there. I'll keep a link down below. I'll try to share my pie, what I currently have now as well. And yeah, like, subscribe. Take care. See you next time. Bye.